Hi, my name is Kayla with America's Home Place. Every day I am asked how much it costs to build a new home. Key to answering this question would be to understand your build budget. Your build budget is made up of 4 pieces, which would be the cost to purchase a piece of property, the base price of every home we offer, modifications, and land improvements. Purchase lot plus floor plan base price plus land improvements plus modifications equals the total cost to build a new home. For purchasing property, it would just be the list price. For the base price of the home, you can go on the website at americashomeplace.com and plug in your zip code, and you can reach out to the local office for a description of materials to know exactly how much each home costs. Modifications will depend on the floor plan you choose, and land improvements will depend on the lot you selected, the floor plan you picked, and the foundation type you selected, such as a crawl space or a basement. So those 4 pieces will give you your total cost to build, and you can set up an appointment to talk more in depth about each of those. So hopefully that helped break down everything you need to know about your build budget. My name is Kayla. I'm here at America's Home Place in Asheville, North Carolina.